The Autonomous Racing Workshop. That is, presentations, discussions, meeting other teams, and talking about driverless concepts. Hey, I'm Niels, and I would like to invite you to the workshop. You want to know more? Let me explain. The Autonomous Racing Workshop is a weekend-long conference hosted by e-gnition in Hamburg, aiming to connect all driverless teams. We will provide a framework to exchange with other teams, discuss all driverless-related topics, and get to know each other. Therefore, we need your help to have a great weekend together. Every participating team has to contribute to the workshop in some form, as the whole event thrives from the exchange with other teams. Every team will bring a poster outlining the overall driverless vehicle and software concept. We will then kick off the workshop weekend with a poster session, getting valuable feedback from other teams on your concepts, while enjoying delicious food and drinks. Beyond the posters, you are invited to contribute to workshop sessions by giving a presentation, a short talk, or by preparing and moderating a discussion topic. Presentations consist of 30 to 40 minutes of prepared content, followed by 5 to 10 minutes of questions from the audience. Short talks have a reduced time frame of only 10 to 15 minutes for your talk, followed by 5 minutes of questions. Discussions, in contrast, will offer a lot of room to discuss your ideas and concepts with a broad audience. You should open them with 5 minutes of prepared introduction, followed by 40 minutes of moderated discussion. All topics related to the driverless competition, be it technical or non-technical, and all levels of expertise are welcome. You are interested? The next Autonomous Racing Workshop is just around the corner in spring, and registration is open now. Your participation will be free of charge. However, if you want to bring more than 3 team members, you are required to contribute presentations, short talks, or discussion topics to the workshop. To register your team or find more information, check our website arvo.hamburg.